My gents, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Hi, my name is Diti Panik. I create videos related to lifestyle, beauty, DIYs and many more. So if you haven't seen my channel yet, kindly do visit my channel and do hit the subscribe button. I target of 500 subscribers, so I really want to reach it very soon. So kindly do subscribe, it would mean the world to me. So for today's video's topic is that 5 ड्रग प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर वर्थ योर पेनी. ड्रग स्टोर प्रोडक्ट्स उसी को बोलते हैं जिसको ऑलरेडी प्राइस बहुत कम है. एंड टुडे आई एम गिविंग यू द बेस्ट 5 यू कैन गेट अंडर ₹500 which is worth your penny and it does wonders. I am using it for a very long time. बहुत सही products है and you should definitely give it a try. So for the makeup section, I'll create another drugstore product video for skincare and hair care. Stay tuned for that. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Firstly, starting with my favorite makeup product, that is the eyeshadows. I love eyeshadows. Good collection of eyeshadow palette. I really love eyeshadow palette more than anything in makeup section. So I'll also make a video related to my eyeshadow collection. So stay tuned for that. So edition which is worth a penny is that the first is this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. I think they have 3 variants in this eyeshadow palette which is of really good quality. I have the shade number 1 here. You can see there is a 9 color eyeshadow palette which is really pigmented. They have shimmers in it, mattes in it, and also neutrals like browns, ochres, like this. I'll just swatch one of the shimmer and one of the matte for you guys. As you can see, the pigmentation is quite high, and it only costs ₹199 for cheaper price like $189 too. And for $189, and if you're starting or you're a beginner and you want to get some eyeshadow palette, then get this kind of eyeshadow palette rather than getting the dupes or the fake ones. This beauty product is really good if you're just trying out or just want to buy a budget eyeshadow palette. So the second eyeshadow palette that I think it's really good, like it's the best I feel, because it has because this brand has huge collection and huge varieties, and I really want to have all of them. I think I have 3 or 4 of them, but I'm showing you this one for today. This is the Nika K9 eyeshadow palette in the Poison Apple. I think I have the green one also and the blue one also, which is also really pretty. I really love it. The MRP of it is ₹799, but you can get it for sale for under ₹400 itself. I got it for ₹399. Just love it. Like I really love it. The colors are so pigmented and are so versatile that I can't even say you. I'm just swatching 2 of them. As you can see, the pigmentation is really great. When I started makeup ना, तो I thought कि मुझे भी चाहिए, मुझे भी लेना है, but लेकिन ना मैं उतना ले नहीं पा रही थी, because मुझे लग रहा था ये $399 बहुत ज़्यादा है. Because I used to tell my mom कि हाँ मुझे भी चाहिए, and my mom was like क्यों चाहिए, already इतने हैं, which was practical enough, but how can I tell her that my love for eyeshadows. So when I got a little bit of money of my own, so I started buying this eyeshadow palette, and एक ही बार में मैंने 3 eyeshadow palettes, 2 जो green and blue है ना, वो मेरे इतने यूज़ में नहीं आते हैं, to be very honest, but still I love this for the pigmentation, for everything. The colors are so pretty. I can't. बस और 3 निका के eyeshadow palette मुझे लग रहा था कि 2 है, लेकिन ये भी है. This is the watermelon plush shade, which is also great. I really love it. I think this and this is quite similar. I think this and this is quite similar. The difference is that इसमें थोड़ा सा light tones है और इसमें थोड़े से bold tones है. This green eyeshadow palette in Lucky Charm. I really want to get the birthday cake one. I don't have the birthday cake one, but I really want to have it because I feel it is also so pretty. See, yeah, this is the green one. इसमें बहुत सारे tones है green के, deep green, sea green, so many greens. And the last palette that I have of Nika K9 is the blue one. This is for the Ocean Eyes. It is named as the Ocean Eyes, and I love the tones of blue, like so pretty. I really love it. की भी ऐसे eyeshadow palette है जो एक फैमिली के सारे 9 कलर्स देते हैं. It is just a dupe of it, you can say, and the quality is really great. So coming to the next product, that is foundation. तो foundation ना मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइट वेट ही पसंद है, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि हैवी फाउंडेशन मैं उतना अच्छे से कैरी नहीं कर पाती हूँ. मुझे थोड़ा सा लाइट वेट टिंटेड फाउंडेशन पसंद है. So my current favorite is this foundation. This is the Maybelline new launch foundation. It is the Fit Me Vitamin Me fresh tinted SPF 50 skin tanned in with vitamin C in it, which is really good. And the MRP is only for ₹399 and I got it for the MRP price only, क्योंकि वो एकदम नया लॉन्च होता जब मैंने ये मंगवाया था. बट अभी बहुत ही प्राइस ड्रॉप होगा. आई फील यू कैन गेट इट फॉर ₹349 ईजिली. इसमें 30 ml है एंड आई रियली डोंट कंप्लेन फॉर द प्राइस एंड द पैकेजिंग इज ऑल्सो सो क्यूट. ये बहुत ही ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली हो सकता है, सुटेबल फॉर सेंसिटिव. इज द शेड नंबर 9. आई अप्लाइड इट टुडे इवन. द ओनली कॉन्स ऑफ इट बी ओनली 9 शेड्स आर अवेलेबल. पहले जब मैंने भी लगाया था ना, इट वॉज नॉट बेकिंग एट ऑल, बट सब पूरा बेक करने के बाद, पूरा लगाने के बाद फिर लगा कि नहीं इट इज़. तो 9 शेड में थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो सकता है बिकॉज सारे इंडियन स्किन टोन में उतना कम शेड्स है. लेकिन अगर फिर भी इफ़ यू फाइंड योर शेड ओवर देयर देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली गिव इट अ ट्राई बिकॉज आपका स्किन टिंटेड है एंड SPF भी है एंड विटामिन C भी है. इट इज़ अ स्किन केयर प्लस मेकअप प्रोडक्ट, सो आई लव इट द मोस्ट. Second foundation that I love the most is this OG Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It is in my shade Toffee 330. इसका बड़ा वाला भी आता है बट आई carry this one because it's travel friendly और वो टूटने का डर नहीं है. उसमें कांच का होता है तो टूट सकता है. It has also SPF 22 in it which is lesser than this but it also has SPF which is a very great thing. I think बहुत अच्छा लगता है because I feel it is a very good foundation for medium to high coverage. You can get a medium coverage and then if you want to build it up कि आप उसको layers कर सकते हो and this works at high coverage foundation too. So I really love this foundation. I think this is one of the most used foundation among most of the people. When people try makeup, I think they get this one also because it is pocket friendly. You can get it for ₹200 220 easily. So yeah, and it is of Maybelline, so quality भी अच्छा है, no compromise in quality and also a great product in budget. So if you're trying out or if you are just going to try, you should definitely go with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It has also many wide range of their shade. This is the last shade, you can say Toffee 330 and I think it would go to most of the dark skin tone और इसमें बहुत सारे shades है to choose from, so definitely give this a try if you haven't. But I feel most of the people has already have it in their wardrobe, but yeah, if you don't then definitely give it a try. More thing that I really trust on from a very long time in makeup is this Blue Heaven का loose powder. इसका already ना packaging का पूरा खत्म हो चुका है, expired नहीं हुआ है, but still is I have used so much and I really love this. ये 150 तक आ जाएगा and it is my first loose powder you can say. जब मैं अपना पहला मेकअप किट बना रही थी ना तो मैंने ये लिया था as loose powder and it really bakes really well. Like मुझे लगा था कि 150 है तो उतना काम नहीं करेगा, लेकिन it does a really pretty good job. If it's for ₹150 only, I won't say this is a very great product, but it is a really good product for you to try on. For beginners you should definitely go for Blue Heaven because ये तो Blue Heaven ने अपना और अपडेट कर दिया है, स्किन टेंट ये वगैरह बहुत सारी चीज़ें लॉन्च कर दी है. रिव्यू दोज प्रोडक्ट्स टू, बट फॉर नाउ इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई ऑन अ लूज पाउडर देन गो फॉर Blue Heaven. It's worth it. Product is eyeliner. I think color black eyeliners तो सबको ही मिल जाते हैं, but I'll talk on the colorful side. For the colorful side, budget finds would be Lakme eyeliner, the OG black Lakme eyeliner for ₹100 only. इसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स अवेलेबल है, ब्लैक, ब्लू, ग्रीन एंड दिस गोल्डन. एक्चुअली द ब्लैक एंड ब्लू इज़ वेरी कॉमन, ब्लैक इज़ वेरी कॉमन. ब्लू इज़ आई थिंक ब्लू वाला मैंने नहीं लिया था बिकॉज मुझे नहीं लगा था मेरे पास उतना गट्स था उसको कैरी करने के लिए बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी बोल्ड. आई जस्ट शो यू द swatches. The golden one and the green one. The golden one is very pretty. Them are really pretty shades. I don't think I have carried out it so much. I would say is this My Glam ka eyeliner pencil. I have applied it today. If you can just see how pretty this looks. इसको खरीदने से पहले भी ना मैंने 10 बार सोचा था कि मैं इसको कैरी कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं, बट आई थॉट कि आज इसको लगा के देखते हैं. एंड रियली लुक्स प्रिटी. MRP ऑफ My Glam इज रियली हाई. इट्स नॉट आई वुड से बजट फाइंस, बट My Glam ऑलवेज रन सेल्स. आई गॉट इट फॉर ₹199 ओनली. जब उनका सेल रहता है ना तो बहुत ही सस्ते में प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे और सही प्रोडक्ट्स भी होते हैं. सो आई जस्ट से आपको अगर पर्पल कलर या फिर और माई ग्लैम में ना जो आईलाइनर का कलर रेंज है उसमें बहुत सारे कलर्स लाइक लेजिट बहुत सारे कलर्स है. इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई ऑन कलर आईलाइनर पेंसिल देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर देम. इट्स रियली वर्थ इट. एंड वन मोर थिंग आई वुड से फॉर बजट फाइंस, आई डोंट हैव राइट नाउ, मेरे पास है लेकिन पता नहीं कहाँ है, मुझे मिल नहीं रहा था. इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई कलरफुल आईलाइनर्स, यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई Zudio eyeliners if you have Zudio store in your city, because Zudio has also launched very great makeup products under a budget, so definitely give it a try. Last section of this video would be the lipsticks, and for lipstick I again have My Glam run sales on lipstick for ₹1. Eventually जो 199 का हो जाता है, 199 का lipstick, for 199 का lipstick you have great variety and which is really good, बहुत good quantity of lipstick आ जाता है. एंड ये लिप लाइनर है My Glam का ही, मैंने आज भी इसी को अप्लाई किया. इफ़ यू कैन सी द पिगमेंटेशन इज रियली गुड. प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं My Glam के, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई ऑल्सो डू ए फुल फेस मेकअप ऑफ My Glam वेरी soon, so stay tuned for it. And other than that, for lipstick I would say, because I always apply liquid lipstick most of this, like 90% of the time I apply liquid lipstick, Lakme liquid lipstick, but I don't think they are in the very budget fans, because I feel budget fans क्या होता है 500 से नीचे 400 300 200 तक budget fans होता है, because these lipsticks are only for ₹200, so I just count budget fans. But so this is it for this video. If you have like anything about the video, do hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for my next video. Bye my gems, see you next time.